welcome back to my channel. This is Temitope Vams for Juniga B. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys creative ideas for your WhatsApp status. This is continuing my series on making money on via WhatsApp. So if you haven't checked out that other video, please run ahead, check it out over here. I'm going to put a card so that you can watch it, then come back and watch this one. So you guys, WhatsApp has created lots of small business owners. People use WhatsApp to advertise their products and their services, and people do a lot of creative stuff with WhatsApp. But I find that a lot of business people who put up status WhatsApp, their product on their WhatsApp status, is just boring. Like, you are only putting your picture of your product and that's all. Like, there's no context, we don't like, there's no life, there's no soul. So I am here to solve that problem for you. Okay, I'm here to give you ideas that you can use to spice up your WhatsApp status, okay, and actually convert. Have you ever wondered why is it that a lot of people are looking at your status but they are not buying from you? So we want to change that. Okay, so the very first idea, hope you have your paper, hope you have your biro, your paper and your biro. You know that I like to teach you guys on this channel. Okay, so the very first idea that I'm going to give you guys is to share your life lessons and experiences. Now, when I say share your life lessons and experiences, I'm not saying go and tell your family secrets, come and tell us what's good. No, what you ate and all. No, but just make your brand. Yes, because it's your brand, make it more personable. So we want to know things. We want to know how you started. We want to know the person behind the brand. We want to know your story. We want to know lessons. Do you understand? There are little things that will just occur during your day, and we just want to know how you were able to overcome those challenges. So share life lessons on your WhatsApp status. And you know, WhatsApp created like a feature where you can write out content. Like, you don't just have to only put videos or pictures, you would actually write out your thoughts. So life lessons. Related to life lessons is also sharing contemporary issues. Now, you have to really be very careful with sharing contemporary issues, because you don't want to share things that are too overtly sensitive, things that have to do with religion, things that have to do with very strong themes like violence. Once in a while, you want to speak up on issues. For instance, the Black Lives Matter. If you want to talk about topical issues, so that people know that actually there's a soul behind this brand. And one thing I've come to learn is that your audience, your tribe will always gravitate towards you. So don't be afraid to talk about issues, but you want to be careful. You don't want to overdo it. Okay, you're a business person, you're not an activist. So yeah, the third idea is to share creative gifts, share fun things. Do you understand? Those funny things, funny skits, funny videos, as long as they are what's the word now, family friendly, or depending on what your products are. But just what's the word now, mix and match. So you could share a funny skit. I remember seeing on somebody's WhatsApp status, the guy sells knowledge-based products, right? So he put this very funny skit. So I wanted to keep watching, and next thing I saw was, oh, come and buy my product or something. It was advertised, and I felt like that was just so brilliant, because I was sold. Because there are a lot of people's WhatsApp status that I really don't look at, because I feel like I know what this person is going to post. So there's no element of surprise. Do you understand? So kind of mix it up. Don't just be a one-way street. Don't let it not just be you are only posting your product, or if you are a content creator, come and look at my blog or my YouTube videos or all those kind of things. You want to mix it up. Okay, so yeah, the fourth type of post that you can put is to post quotes. Yes, so I love quotes, I love reading quotes, and I know a lot of people love quotes a lot. So you could go on, and it's very easy. Just go on Google, look for quotes that are in your industry, related to what you do, and just compile them and put it up and give people something to think about. Okay, yeah. The fifth creative idea that you can post on your WhatsApp status is tutorials on how to make use of your product or how to make use of your services. So if you are in a product-based business, there are many things people sell these days. Whatever it is that is, show people how to make use of your product. Show them how to style a dress or how to style their hair. Like I love there's this brand, she uses WhatsApp too, but she's also on Instagram and Facebook. And then the name of the brand is Marajalo Beauty. I hope I got the name right. I'll put it on the screen. So she does natural hair product and all those kind of things. So on our WhatsApp status, she shows you how to make use of the natural hair product, how to apply it and all those kind of things. So I'm always looking forward to her posts because they are always educative. So you want to share educational tutorials, okay, how to do this, how to do that, because it just makes people more people always know that, okay, anytime I look at this person's WhatsApp status, or sorry, this business's WhatsApp status, there's something to learn, okay. So that's for tutorials. The sixth thing is similar to tutorials, share product tips. Now tutorials are more in-depth than tips. Tips is just, oh, do this, do that, blah 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 blah, but tutorials are more in-depth. So for tips, you don't need to do a video. And as I'm saying, I just realized that really for tutorials, you don't, in those days when we used to do a lot of blogging, you could actually do picture based tutorials, so it doesn't necessarily have to be video, okay. So you could share tips and you can use whatever medium that is most comfortable for you, whether it's video, okay, so whether it's video or pictures. The seventh idea is to do something I'll call a customer showcase. When I mean customer showcase, show pictures of people using your product in see other people apart from yourself making use of your product or your services live. Like if you are a book, so you have a book or an ebook or something, let your customers take pictures with your book and say, hey, something like this, I bought this book, or wow, look at me, this is what I'm using, or I'm wearing this brand, I'm wearing this shirt, or I got this from this, or I'm applying this from it. It just helps other people to know that, okay, other people are excited about this person's brand, okay, and it's not just you alone saying come and buy. Just make it attractive to people, lure people, seduce people to buy from you. Where I'm from in Nigeria, I would say make people have long throats for your business, okay. And you can also do fun stuff. Sometimes dance on your WhatsApp status. Dance, I see a lot of people doing this on Instagram, but I don't see it enough on WhatsApp. And I feel like WhatsApp is much more personal than Instagram. But I see people dancing with their stuff, dancing with their product. You too, dance with your product. If you are selling something, say this is what I'm selling. Come and buy from me. Like, just be fun. Let people enjoy looking at your WhatsApp status. Let's not just be a one-way street. So, for instance, if I'm selling perfumes, for example, I carry my perfume and say, hey, have you bought this perfume? Come and buy it. You know the way have you gone to markets in Africa? Let me gist you guys how it is when you go to markets in Africa. They are singing, they are dancing, they are doing all sort of things just to attract you to come and buy from them. The most important thing is to make that sale, okay? So make it interesting. Okay, I think this is the 8th tip that I'm going to be talking about. Is a very, it's an age-long marketing strategy, which is to share testimonials. Let other people, when somebody buys from you, ask them. Always ask. If you don't ask, people just move on. But when you say, oh, please, can you give me a testimonial? I remember buying a jumpsuit long time ago from one Instagram brand, and the lady was like, please wear the cloth, snap your picture and send to me. So it just makes other people see it from other people's perspective aside from you that is selling your market, okay. The 9th idea that I'm going to, the creative idea, is to, I don't know if I've mentioned this before, I don't think I have, is to give an in-depth answer to your customers' questions. So there are certain questions that customers are always asking you every single time. So you could just create one day as like a office hour kind of thing, so where you really give detailed answers to people's questions. And like I said, WhatsApp has a feature where you can type out the answers and just answer people's questions. So people are always looking at your WhatsApp status, okay? Especially if you put your numbers on the internet for people to buy from you. So there are some people that will just be quiet. They are looking at what you are doing. So by the time you provide those answers, the kind of answers, because some people are too shy to ask questions, but when you are proactive and you answer those questions, it kind of makes them more comfortable to buy your stuff. I hope I'm communicating. Okay. The ninth creative idea is to share events, share announcements, and 10th one will be to do giveaways. Yeah, people love giveaways. People love giveaways, and you could do simple giveaways and just fun things on your WhatsApp status and really make it fun. Okay, so I hope you guys, oh, let me say this last one. FAQs is also almost similar to answering in-depth questions. FAQs is frequently asked questions. There's no law that says that you cannot put out the most frequently asked questions that people are continuously asking you. Like, just put it up there, let people know that, okay, these are the questions that people are always asking me concerning your business. So put it out there, okay, so that somebody they don't just come and waste their time. Okay, time is money. You don't want people to waste your time. Okay, so yeah guys, I hope you learned one or two things from this video. If you haven't liked this video, like it right now. Yes, I'm talking to you. Like it right now. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do subscribe to this channel. I'm doing a series on how to make money on WhatsApp, so check out this other video here if you haven't checked it out.